What's going on, good people? It's your boy Iceberg here. As you can see, I'm covered in sweat. Been out here working in the garden for going on 2 hours now. Been out here doing some of the pruning and all that stuff I was telling y'all about earlier this morning. So let's take a look at what we've gotten done. I got things moved around a little bit right now. I haven't put everything back exactly into place, but here's one of our cherry tomato plants. As you see, I've had to prune it pretty good. I got all of our ripe tomatoes off of it. And I staked it up a little bit better. It had some of its branches that were leaning over and starting to bend pretty bad, so I staked it up a little bit. As you can see right here, the way I staked this, you can make little kind of trellises just out of your bamboo sticks is what I have here, and I just kind of tied them up there. As you can see, I could have put a third one there as well and made it even more sturdy, but since I have the basket around it, I didn't worry about it on this one. Didn't really do anything underneath there. I pruned these really well. I'm getting ready to apply my neem treatment to everything. Looks like we might have a rainstorm about to come in, so we'll see. But I pruned everything back, got rid of all of our dead growth. We'll go up in here and show y'all what I did. So I pulled all of our beans and what did I have over here? I had beans and green beans, yeah, and peas. So I pulled all of those up. I'll replant something else in this space here shortly. Pruned our squash plant back. Pruned our cucumber plant some. I got to read up on that a little bit more. Pruned everything back. So you see the bed is kind of cleaned out a little bit. I'll get in here and replant some stuff, fill up some of the space. I pruned our pepper plants really well. See, we got peppers on there. We got one right there. That's going to be a red pepper. That's a yellow pepper. And then these are probably green. Yeah, these are green. So, and then you see tomatoes. There's some in there that I want to let get a little more ripe, but I did pull a bunch off of here as well. Pruned it back really well. So, it's just showing you that yes, when you leave your garden for a few days, yeah, it will have a lot of things that, you know, turn yellow or die off or whatever. But you can come out here, prune some things back, and you can save your plants. You know, they can continue growing, continue producing for you. It just takes a little more work, a little sweat, that's all. Don't hurt nobody. I enjoyed it. I enjoy being out here with this stuff, so it's peaceful for me. Yeah, I emptied these beds out too. We have more beans and peas over here. I empty those out. I'll change out that soil completely. That's bad soil, old soil. So we'll be doing some replanting videos here soon. I got to figure out what I'm going to put where. Do a little research on what to plant behind things, stuff like that. But we're going to figure it all out. And of course, like I have been, I'm going to take y'all along for the journey. So until next time, this is Iceberg. Salute everybody.